Thank you for choosing Chris Palmer SEO Services. In this video, what I'd like to walk you through is how you can stop recurring payments or recurring services inside of our dashboard or our SEO service portal. So once on chrispalmer.org, what you will want to do is navigate to our portal. You can click on this button, and once there at seo.chrispalmer.org, once you sign in, you'll be brought to a screen that looks just like this. So you'll see your account name up at the top. You'll see details, orders, tickets, subscriptions, invoices, and files. In order to stop a recurring subscription, if you're using Stripe, right? Because we process two different types of payments. We process either utilizing Stripe if it's credit card, or we also offer PayPal. So if you're using Stripe and you've paid with credit card, this is how you will stop recurring payments. Most people utilize credit card. So what you'll want to do is you'll head over to your invoices. Once on your invoices, if you know your invoice number, you can stop the recurring payments from this screen, or you can go to subscriptions, which is right here. Click on the ID. Once on this screen here, you have your service up at the top. You have the proper ID, which is listed right here, or order number. In order to stop the recurring payments from credit card within our portal, you'll go to these three dots here, and then you will do cancel subscription. This is directly connected to Stripe. You can cancel right from here. All right. Now, if you are utilizing PayPal, all right, if you're utilizing PayPal, you need to log into your PayPal. All right. So PayPal stop recurring payments. What you will need to do is going to the recurring payment section and shut off it. You'll have to shut it off on your side. You can stop it inside of our dashboard, but there's not an API connection to automatically shut it off. So if you're using PayPal, you cancel it inside of our dashboard, just like this. I'll walk you through the process. So you'll come in here. All right. And let's just say that this was, so we'll go here. We will cancel. You'll still cancel. After that, you'll come into your PayPal account. You'll go to you can get a link from here, or stopping your service payment. There's another walkthrough. Log into your actual account and go to the recurring payments and shut it off. So you'll shut it off in our dashboard and then shut off the recurring payments inside of PayPal. I don't have the ability to log into your account and shut off the payments. I can only do it from my dashboard, not on your side. So this is how you stop recurring payments inside of our SEO service portal at chrispalmer.org. If you have any questions, feel free to open up a ticket, and I'll see you in the next video.